What are the various ways in which you can protect your environment? We can protect our environment in a variety of ways: plant trees near our homes and use eco-friendly means of transportation, such as electric automobiles. Not leave the tap running while brushing our teeth. Utilize the remaining water in our bottles to water plants. Use cloth or jute bags instead of plastic bags, purchase eco-friendly products, and decrease our use of paper. Clean products made from sustainable derived components and natural oils that are biodegradable and come in eco-friendly packaging must be used. Use plants that absorb dangerous pollutants from the air like areca palm and rubber. What do you understand by ecosystem? How can it be preserved and restored? The ecosystem is a group of living and non-living beings that coexist and interact with and sustain one another. It is the ideal balance in which all species can coexist. Excessive tree felling, for example, can devastate the ecosystem, creating climate change and natural disasters that makes it difficult for living beings to thrive. People are currently attempting to protect existing ecosystems and rehabilitate degraded ones through the use of natural solutions. Forests and plants help to stabilize slopes, lowering the risks of landslides. Wetlands can aid with flood control. Avoiding forest clearing, planting more trees, and investing in soil health and restoration can help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. What do you understand by green jobs? What are its advantages? Green jobs, also known as green-collar jobs, are jobs in agricultural, administrative, research and development, industrial, and service sectors that contribute significantly in protecting or restoring environmental quality, according to the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP. Encouragement of green jobs is one way we can help in the preservation and restoration of the environment. A green job contributes to and sustains the transition to ecologically sustainable modes of production and consumption. Green jobs help to boost energy and raw material efficiency, keep trash and pollutants under control, advocate for adaptation to the effects of climate change. How does climate change impact us? Also explain the role of National Action Plan on Climate Change, NAP, in combating climate change. The climate will alter as a result of the damage that has already been done. Excessive tree felling, for example, can devastate the ecosystem, creating climate change and natural disasters that makes it difficult for the living beings to thrive. Even if individuals try to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, global warming will occur owing to the harm already done in terms of tree felling and land use for agriculture, among other things. As a result, we must adjust to these changes. This means we'll have to figure out how to exist in the new climatic conditions. Farmers, for example, will need to cultivate crops that can withstand drought conditions if the weather prediction predicts less rain. In June 2008, the Government of India released the National Action Plan on Climate Change, NAP, to address climate change and related challenges. The NAP consists of 8 missions in the areas of solar energy, improved energy efficiency, habitat, water, sustaining Himalayan ecosystems, forestry, agriculture, and strategic knowledge for climate change that address issues relating to greenhouse gas mitigation and adaptation to the adverse effects of climate change on the environment, habitat, water resources, and agriculture. What are green skills? List few areas in which green skills can impact sustainable development. Green skills are those that are utilized to promote a green economy. These abilities are required in fields such as renewable energy, wastewater treatment, climate-resilient cities, green construction, solid waste management, and so on. The following are some of the ways in which green skills influence long-term development: utilizing renewable energy, for example, solar and wind energy. Water and waste management. rainwater gathering, energy conservation, pollution reduction.